you do that? Would you announce, here's the criteria on which you're judged, so to speak? Or would
apparently,
you do this?
Really?
Yeah.
No, if you...
Huh?
Oh, I'm sleeping. I don't even know what I'm talking
Holy crap.
What?
That was a bad one.
May be different by the time you finish reading this sentence. That is exactly why you need a player on your dream team
Red light runner
who specializes in confused about this. Medicare is not the same as Social Security, and it is not free. In fact, it still involves premiums for your coverage and requires co-pays for...
Good to be with you, thank you.
Yeah, fans of sports and money and
it's always the stop where people don't stop.
Your two books.
I could see it if we let it happen, and I think again I would insist upon if we're doing this under the educational umbrella.
Here on our show, Ben Affleck's calling in short order.
What the hell's that guy doing?
A new film, The Way Back, in theaters near you on Friday. He plays a man who's down on his luck.
Get in here.
And an alcoholic who gets posited by Dion publicly, and what I'm hearing a lot of groundswell for behind the scenes, the 49ers.
Yeah, you almost nailed it.
That guy using two guys, that white van as well, using this merge lane that ends right up there to get around maybe 2 or 3 cars max.
Moved in with me back in the day, and that happened. I would see the humor in it. I wouldn't give a fuck. It's a fucking dog. Well, this is what she gets for fucking trying to have a human relation with a goddamn animal. Anyway, she...
Okay.
And it'll go to 25 and then 30 respectively when they're both in high school.
Subaru. Nope.
Okay, so you're sending some extra money toward the house. I think you guys, in looking at this, again,
exit dive.
It's an option. Okay, we'll call it that. I'm not going.
Hello, everybody. I got wonderful news. Spring is here, and it's never going to snow again. So we're going to celebrate with the final installment of Drivers Who Suck at Cleaning Snow Off Their Cars. This first clip is so bad, it would make anyone scream.
There's lots of friends of mine.
It snowed over the weekend, and we're on Wednesday! Wednesday!
Here's a big tip for everyone out there. It might be a good idea to clear the ice and snow off your car before you start driving. Also be careful, don't get your cigarette too wet. Yes, I do know this video is called Bad Drivers of Connecticut. And yes, I do know this is a clip from Massachusetts.
We're losing some weight off the top there. To justify you, in the end I will look at the back windshield on that. Nissan drivers. Nice big top layer of snow there.
Let's hope a snow brush is on this person's shopping list. Welp, we finally made it to the end of the Drivers Who Suck at Cleaning Snow Off Their Cars. Unfortunately, this will be the last installment for a long time because it's never gonna snow again. But I hope you guys enjoy your summer this year. I know I will.
Oh, they didn't move over. And neither does that car.
Hold on to the pros, and then that's already an open floodgate.
Right.
Yeah.
Which is why
no.
We spoke to Andrew and when I said, hey,
in the previous segment. Yeah.
I thought he was exit dodging, exit diving.
To me, I think.
The fuck is that?
And Steffi Groff. That's great. The best. But what I'm saying is, yes, she was great early, and she couldn't sustain it. But that seems like the story of the last half century.
In this clip, the school bus decides to be nice and allow all the other school buses turn left in front of them. There were at least 3 behind me. The car behind it wasn't so happy about this.
So excited to talk with you, and we are ready to attack this hour. So I'm going to get to the phone line.
Okay.
So far, I have not been unimpressed with Joe's campaign. So, of course, I back him.
Why would you back a candidate who doesn't?
Of course.
Practicality, Jim.
Want to do and stay out of those things until you meet somebody that you actually,
really,
you know, like you're not doing it for the wrong reason. I mean, this is for men and women. I'm just saying it from a guy's point of view. Just get the shit.
No way.
And then it is fucking.
Staffers like that.
Yeah.
And each would get an iPhone and a new MacBook Pro.
So, let my phone
wait.
Asking her questions like, why do you like music?
It didn't even turn green yet, and he pulls the asshole left.
Not my new work schedule. Then they switched my days off after they offered.
Real life is a pain.
Who said
really?
You want to grow up? Who said this adulting thing?
You done messed up, Aaron!
Come on, really? Dang. Of course. Pretend that I'm not here.
When entering the McDonald's on North Main Street in Torrington, you are greeted with this no left turn sign.
That's no left turn up there.
You may have to adjust this, and once you're going to check this filter. You were going to save some energy.
What the hell?
And then like a basement.
Thank you.
No turn on red, Subaru.
Voted in favor enshrining abortion protections under state law.
Really? These are drivers.
I've got this one for you too. There are 2 people in this world that entrusted me with their child's spiritual health should they pass on. I love my friends.
What the fuck are you doing? Oh, whoa! Can't bring him down.
You done messed up,
Jeez.
See him running out of money anytime soon.
Oh, okay.
I mean,
but
that's
when people drop out when they run out of money.
Yeah.
That's right. This is John Hallman, right? That's that guy's name, John Hallman. And then that's one of the guys. And now he wrote the movie.
You farted.
No, I didn't.
I can spell it. It spelled like shit.
Hey, what happened? What happened up there? Yeah, what's up with people being dead center in the street? You have a stop sign there. Got 2 red light runs. Nissan drivers. What? Move. What the hell?
one of them. Just park anywhere, I guess. You're not having a case of the Mondays, it's me! Yeah, I'm going to be uploading on Mondays now, too. So please like and thank you for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already. Tune in this Friday where we'll be taking a trip to Jersey. Have a nice day, everybody.